Today we're unboxing Dakine Wrist Guard Gloves. So what's really cool about these gloves, I'm gonna get them out here, is that these are traditional winter gloves from Dakine, which are, they're a solid outdoor brand company. But you can see it says Wrist Guard Glove. So what's really cool about these is that they have a built-in wrist guard protector inside of the actual glove itself. And what that's for is if you're learning to snowboard or maybe ice skate, something like that, you've got this built-in wrist guard that is going to allow you to protect your wrists when you are learning, so that if you fall or something like that, you are not gonna hurt your wrist. So here you go, we can take this out. You can see there it is. That's what you've got right there. And just some extra wrist support inside the glove itself. So let me put this on and see how it is. Oh yeah, that's great. It definitely does provide wrist support. You can feel the actual piece of plastic lands right here. And then on the outside here, you also have another piece of wrist guard for support. So it's going to protect your wrist in both ways. There's another piece of plastic right. Let's see, I can get it out here. It's tight, but what is nice is that these are removable. So if you just want to have them as gloves, you could do that. This one is really tight in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it out. It might take me some, I don't know. But you can see it in there. It might take some moving the gloves around and stuff, and hard to do on video, but there we go. I've got it out, and you can see this one has even more support on the outside, and then almost kind of like a buffer. So the plastic will move, but then you also have this in there, and it does feel really supportive with it in there. And then I don't know if I'm going to be able to push this back in while it's on camera, but you can definitely get it in and out. There we go. And overall, the gloves are definitely insulated. They feel comfortable. And I love that you've got this wrist support on the back and then this wrist support in the front. So if you're learning to snowboard or maybe even ski, or if you're learning to ice skate, you have some stability to protect your wrist. And you can see there's padding here as well, just to make it safer while you're learning. Wrist injuries are something that happens fairly often with newer snowboarders, and definitely can happen with ice skating as well, because a lot of people put their hands out to catch something. And with this, at least you're taking some of that shock off, because this is right where that plastic piece is. And then you've got a plastic piece on the outside here as well to help provide that support in both directions. So I love that idea, and definitely warm and definitely comfortable. I've had just Dakine gloves before, and they were great. And I like that you can take the liners out, so that if you want to wash these, you can. And you also have little thing here to hook them together, as well as you can adjust the cuffs on these. So these are great. These are double XL, I think is what I got, but overall seem like quality gloves. And then I love that a wrist guard is built in. So if you're learning to snowboard, or learning to ski, or learning to do something like ice skating or outdoors related, I think it's really great to have the opportunity to protect your wrists as well with these gloves. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.